Hi, so we have an interesting follow-up today. We're at 4 years of this young guy's hair restoration out here. And this was 4 years back that we did in July. And if you look at him, he still looks the same, right? The way he looked after 1 year. So if you can just zoom in, I'm going to show you how beautiful the hairline has come in, right? That's how beautiful the hairline looks in this case. And again, it's just not the hairline. We had put in a lot of hair grafts and we had restored everything from the frontal tuft, the vertex, right till the crown area, right? And if you have a look at his donor area, can you just turn around for me, please? I'm going to have a look at the donor area. Yeah, he keeps his hair very short from here. Even after removing close to over 3200 grafts or 3400 grafts, we still have a very good donor area. And you can't see any of the scarring, even with such short hair. Yeah, so that's how a good donor area harvesting should look like. So again, many of the times people ask me whether the new hair would come in wavy or curly, or would it be the same hair texture as my existing hair, where it exactly replicates the hair from the backside. My job is to put those hair in the right angle and direction. But the texture of the hair is the texture of the hair from the donor area. I can't do much about it. Like if you look at his hair is very fine, thin, straight, right? But many of the patients have curly hair. And then many of the patients have wavy hair. So the Indian hair texture is generally of wavy hair. But otherwise, hair transplant done the right way can look fantastic. Yeah, this is 4 years. Also, this is a testament to the fact that hair transplants can last a very, very long time. It's been 4 years, but I don't think I've seen any single change. Yeah, his hair has remained the same over the past 4 years. Kaisa lag raha hai aapko? How are you feeling?
Look at you, sir.
Yeah, you're happy. Yes. I think अपने आप जब आए थे, आपका जो look है, अभी का जो look है, इसमें it's a big difference.
Sir, confidence बढ़ गया हमको.
Confidence बढ़ गया. I'm glad. Right. So now we always keep on maintaining his hair using supportive and primary treatments like PRPs. But that is it. There is no maintenance required for the transplanted hair.